My name's Alicia Haney, and my two boys, Blake and Dawson, are 8 and 5, and they've been having a blast here at Sequest. I think that this is the best program ever. What a great opportunity for little kids to get to do such a great thing. I think that it's amazing how enthused these kids have stayed. You know, they're putting in full days of work, and at the end of the day, they're going, I can't wait to go back. You know, love to know where that enthusiasm is when they're working around the house, but it sure is here, and they're having a blast and can't wait to come back again.
What's your name?
Dawson.
Dawson what?
Middle name too?
Yeah, go ahead.
Dawson Zolecki.
Okay, and yours?
Blake Ryan Haney.
And what were you guys doing here today?
We were painting our boat, splatter painting waves.
And do you like it? What did you guys do yesterday?
We built the boat.
Did anybody help you with it?
We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 people.
And what is your name?
Trees.
Trees? And you were a part of this boat, correct?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Was it really fun?
Mm-hmm.
And how did you guys come up with the paint? Did you all decide?
Well, we kind of just debated and talked about it, and it just kind of came out.
Well, that's good. That's real good. And are you guys looking forward to sailing it?
Yes, I am.
Yes?
I am too.
And do you guys really love this? If they had this every day, would you guys want to do this?
Yes.
Yes?
My little brother's afraid of it.
He was afraid of it. Are you still afraid of it?
No.
And if we could do it all the time, would you do it?
Yes. This is the most fun I've ever had.
Really?
Me too.
Oh, and what is your name?
Brandy.
Brandy. And which one is your boat? Is this your boat also?
Yeah.
How do you feel about this boat project?
My raked all the different colored polka dot. I've never done a building project before, but this is the first and it was really great.
Well, good.
Thank you, Sequest. Thank you, Sequest. Keep doing it.
Yep, keep doing it. All right.
I'll be here every time. Me too. Me too.
Building the boats are fun, but you need to be careful with the hammers. I think I smashed my thumb on that last one. You know, I hear that Sean and some little nice blind boy, is really nice kid, really cool, all right, really smart, built a boat, and because he smashed his thumb so many times, I think he named it Sore Thumb. All right. Me, I think I would have named my Sore Toe. Because I just kind of stand there and just no more toe. But you gotta check this out. It's really cool. Right? It floats, it sails, all kinds of stuff. Like my friend Cole, he thinks just like me. Boats rock. Yes, yes, boats rock. Yes, but you want to pay attention to the video. Yes, because they have important tips like the life vests and wear the life vest. No vest, no boat. And you want the boat, you want to get the vest because boats rock. Yes. And remember, my friend Cole says the same thing. So that's 2 to 1. All right. Me, Cole, and actually Sean. Yes. Me, Sean, and Cole, 3 to 1. Yes. Wear the vest because no vest, no boat. Boats rock. You want the boat. Yes.
Benjamin Blow, sing for Michigan. I like the stripes on the boat and I like the tiger faces.
Now, take your celebratory drink from the cup.
My name is Hannah Ruth Cochran. My name is Megan Caroline Bullock. Sarah Margaret Bullock. You can build a boat like an old watermelon. You'll come by sometime. Once we get some boats, we can go on high adventures. Sequest Kids Rock! Check us out on the web at sequestkids.org.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth here at the Sequest Kids Nationals, and we've discovered that anything can happen. We just got in off the Chinese dragon boats straight from Hong Kong, China, and we came to find this. They've been catching fish.
I tell you what, they call it Sequest for kids, but I don't think it's just for kids. It's Sequest for kids, Sequest for adults. You know what? I came out here, and seen these kids coming from, with these dragon boats. I seen kids that made their own boats. You come on down here. Whenever you get a chance, we're here on Lake Lanier Islands, just having fun out here where the Olympics were at in 1996. People out here fishing, they're kayaking, they're doing a lot of things, guys, and I just don't know what to say. Other than this is a fun day. This is fun. When you put the camera down, guys, I think you need to get involved in this fish catching feast. This is what we're having.
Yes. Elizabeth Knapp out.
Hi, Stephen. This is Kelly Loises, Rachel Loises' mother. I just got your message that she won the raffle for the boat, and she is ecstatic. Anyway, I just wanted to catch up with you so that we can meet up tomorrow, because that would be fine. I'll be around. So just give me a call back, and then we can just make a time that we can meet. All right? Thanks so much. She's excited. Bye-bye.